Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So today's video is all about a new personal assistant which I have built using Python and other libraries which is inside the Python. So our personal assistant can do a bunch of things like Wikipedia search, opening the apps in your laptop, playing songs, telling the time, sending emails, the news of the day, locating yourself on the map, or can also lock the screen, or shut down the device, or you can also make your personal assistant to write a note which you want to remember, or a meeting which you in a meeting which you want to note it down, or can even translate using auto detecting your language, and it can also tell the place where you live in. It has a uh, you know bunch of works which can be done using this personal assistant. So let me show you a demo. So let's proceed with the demo.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Neo for you service. How may I help you, sir?
Can you please tell me about
What should I tell you about?
Chrome?
Searching. According to me, Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. It was first released in 2008 for Microsoft Windows, and was later ported to Linux, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, where it is the default browser built into the OS. The browser is also the main component of Chrome OS, where it serves as the platform for web applications. Most of Chrome's source code comes from Google's free and open source software project Chromium, but Chrome is licensed as proprietary freeware. WebKit was the original rendering engine, but Google eventually forked it to create the Blink engine. All Chrome variants except iOS now use Blink. As of November 2020, StatCounter estimates that Chrome has a 70% worldwide browser market share, after peaking at 72.38% in November 2018, on personal computers, PC, and 66.12% across all platforms. Because of this success, Google has expanded the Chrome brand name to other products: Chrome OS, Chromecast, Chrome eBook, Chrome EBIT, Chromebox, and Chromebase.
Open Discord.
Opening Discord.
Play song 1. Play song 1. What is the time now? What is the time?
Sir. The time is 12 hours 17 minutes and 10 seconds.
Can you please send email?
What should I say?
Hi, how are you? Are you fine?
Sir. I am very sorry. Email has not been sent.
The news for today.
B farmers /xe2 /x80 /x99 protest. Concrete barriers come up at Gazipur, Delhi Ghaziabad border, Hindustan Times. BBJP goes local to establish itself as a factor in Telangana, Times of India.
Tell me a joke.
AQA engineer walks into a bar. Runs into a bar. Crawls into a bar. Dances into a bar. Tiptoes into a bar. Rams a bar. Jumps into a bar.
Where am I?
13.0878, 80.2785.
Give me the list of matches.
Answer for your question is as follows.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 27th, 2020. I might be young but updated.
You are a good girl.
I am a AI created by TG Madhusudan, so I don't have gender. But thank you for calling me a good girl. I will serve you with my pleasure.
Can you please tell me a quote?
You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Gandhi.
Do you have a face? Do you have a
No.
face?
But I will get my face very soon.
Lock window.
Sorry I couldn't understand.
Lock window.
Locking the device.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir. I will keep serving you.
Thanks for watching, guys.